Okay, here he goes again. Lotto, no, go, go. No, no, no. Bert, fetch it. Well, the duck just came right over. Sal, what are you doing? Right here to your right. Well, I'm filming. It's a big duck, too. As we were filming, we missed the duck that came right over us. It's a big duck, too. Duck, come right at us. Hold, hang on. Ready. Go ahead. Probably should have moved your weight. I couldn't shoot it out of these shells in it. Oh! And he got it. Lotto got the duck. Lotto, show everybody. Show the duck. Get it, fetch it. Get it, show it. Show everybody your duck. Show everybody your duck. Show your duck. Show them your duck. Nice.